This video uses Osmo Mobile 7P as an example to introduce how to use the magnetic quick-release mount. If you purchase the magnetic quick-release mount, you can use it to quickly attach your phone to the gimbal. Make sure there are no stickers or other foreign material on the back of the phone. Attach the accessory to the back of the phone and align it correctly. You can also attach the accessory to iPhone cases with MagSafe, made by Apple. Next, align the marks and attach the phone to the gimbal. Fold the gimbal. Remove the accessory and the phone together. Pull out the magnetic ring to hold the phone in landscape or portrait mode. Pull the magnetic ring to remove the accessory from the phone.